Hello gorgeous king gang, how you all doing today? I believe you guys are doing great. If this is your first time of watching my video, hi, my name is Etiosa. You are welcome to my YouTube channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for tuning in today. I love you guys and I appreciate you all for always watching my videos. In today's video, you already know by the title of this video, I'm going to be giving you guys a lightning scrub, okay, recipe. We are not going to be making a practical video. All you need to do is just get a pen and paper and jot down. But if you know you don't have enough time to watch this video from the beginning to the end, I would advise you just save the video, then you can watch it at your convenient time. So this particular sugar scrub helps with acne. It helps to exfoliate the skin, get rid of dead skin cell. It helps to lighten the skin. It helps with dark spot. If you have body acne, you have white dots on your skin, this is very superb for that. And also for those of you that have dark knuckle, this scrub is very good for that. And this is something you can actually sell. You can make a lot of money out of this. If you have sensitive skin, you can actually use this scrub. Okay, you can use this scrub, you can use it on your face. But now I would recommend, if you have terrible acne, like you break out often, I will not advise you use this scrub on your face. Instead, you can use chemical exfoliants like your salicylic acid toner or cleanser, benzoyl peroxide, stuff like that. But if you don't break out, you have a very smooth face, you have normal skin, you can actually use this to exfoliate your face. It is mild, okay? And if you have sensitive skin, you can also use this scrub. All right, so this is a sugar scrub, and also it has a lot of ingredients. All right, if you're going to ask me, can I replace this with this, can I replace that with that, I'm not going to answer you. I have written down the recipe. I actually took my time to bring this out for you guys, so just follow the instruction, get it done, and make it for yourself or your client. So if you have dark knuckle, this is a perfect scrub for you. Use it to scrub your dark knuckle. If you have dark inner thigh, I'm not telling you that this is a dark inner thigh treatment, it's a full body scrub, but I'm telling you, if you have dark knuckle, you have dark elbow, dark feet, dark nail, or whatever you have, any dark whatever that you're not comfortable with, especially pigmentation, use this scrub on that area. Be very focused on that particular area. Trust me, you will get a perfect result using a good lotion or body oil alongside with this scrub. Okay, this is the thing, I have some people or clients rather that will send me a DM and be like, Eti, please, I need a scrub that can clear dark spot, that can clear dark knuckle, that can clear stretch mark, that can clear this and that. One scrub. No, I'm not going to lie to you because I want to take your money. I'm going to be honest with you. If you want a perfect result, you have any complications on your skin, you need lotion or probably a particular treatment products that you can use on that particular area. You just don't want to use body scrub and believe that your stretch mark will clear off. It's not a magic, okay? So you have to be patient, you have to use a good product. Okay, now we have different type of products. We have different skincare products, we have face products, we have body lotion, scrubs, and soap. If you want to patronize me, you are into skincare formulation, your customers are not giving you good reviews, you are getting a lot of complaints, you can start with a little bit of wholesale products. Send me a DM, tell me exactly what you want. Don't just tell me, send me a price of all your products. I cannot just sit down and start giving you price of all the products I have. So to make it easier for both of us, just send me a DM, tell me the product you want, and tell me the quantity you want to start with. I'll break everything down for you and give you the price. So while you are on it, selling, making some money out of it, you can invest in yourself, learn this product or how to formulate the proper way, so you can be confident of what you are doing. You don't want to make a bad product and start selling. All right, you don't want to destroy anybody's skin. That is the worst thing to do. I don't just see it as a mistake, I see it as a devilish act. Okay, so when you are doing things like that, you have to be very patient, spend money on yourself. You need money to make money. I know this is not part of this video, but I just want to put this out there. You need money to make money, so you have to invest in yourself. Learn from good people that are willing to train you, people that are willing to give you good recipe, people that are willing to mentor you, that whenever you ask anything, they are there for you. Okay, don't meet people that will be rude to you, people that will not, like, after training you and they are done. No, meet people that love what they are doing. All right, so this is a very important message I'm passing to you guys. If you trust me enough, do this, and trust me, you will enjoy whatever you're doing. I've seen a lot of people that quit this business because of complain and dragging here and there. You don't want any of that. So you can start with something good and invest in yourself while you are doing that. Don't just learn something and you want to start making 100 products at once. No, start with one thing that you are good at. All right, so I think many of you need this. I might probably just make a separate video talking about how you can start your skincare business, things you need to do, things you don't need to do. Okay, so don't be selfish. That is one of the things you need to put in your head. You don't have to be selfish to make this business or to do this business. You have to be selfless. You have to be honest. You have to be humble. That is very, very important. That's what I do, and it has helped me a lot. Aside from my business, skincare business, it has helped me in my lifestyle, in my just basically generally everything I do. So it is very, very important. So we have different type of products that you can start with. And if you also want a good skincare product that you can use on your skin, you want to buy just a set of products, send me a DM. We have different type of products. If you see my skin, I use my product, I use my face cream, I use my scrub, I use my oil, I use my lotion, I use my soap. I have a lot of products that I use, and trust me guys, my skin is giving. You can see it for yourself. It's giving. Forget this makeup you are seeing. This is just eyeliner. I brush my eyebrow and my lipstick, nothing else. I have no powder or foundation on my face. This is my face. This is how I look, and this is an evidence. I don't need to defend my brand. Of course I do. I need to defend my brand, but I don't need to brag too much just to make you people believe me. You can actually see it for yourself, and if you are not convinced enough, try any of my products, and trust me, you will never regret it. Okay, so now let's get right into this video. This recipe, as I've said earlier, is something you can actually sell, so just have that in your mind. So we are going to be making a lightening scrub, and this scrub can help with a lot of things which I've explained earlier on. So one of the first ingredients you need is Himalayan salt or Himalayan salt. I don't know how they pronounce that word, but that is what you need. Himalayan salt, you need 250 grams. You need papaya powder 100 grams. You need orange peel powder 50 grams. You need carrot powder 50 grams. You need snow white powder 100 grams. You need carovate serum 2 serums. You need lactic acid 5 ml. You need vanilla fragrance or any type of fragrance that you want to add to this. You can go ahead with it. And then you need white sugar 500 grams. You need brown sugar 300 grams. You need mulberry extract or mulberry root extract. You need 50 grams. You need lavender buds or rose buds or bergamot bud, any bud that you have. Make sure you get it. It gives it that aesthetics look. It makes it look very, very beautiful, and it gives it a very nice smell. So you're going to be needing 20 grams or 15 grams if you don't want it to be too much. Next is coffee powder. You're going to be needing 50 grams of coffee powder. And then you're going to be needing lavender oil. You're going to be needing 30 ml. You're going to be needing vitamin E oil 50 ml. And then now this is the part I need to explain to you guys. In order for you to get a very good consistency, you have to add your honey or your liquid soap little by little. Don't carry a full gallon of your liquid soap after mixing everything together. All this recipe, I mean all the things I've listed out, mix everything together properly before adding in your liquid soap and your honey. You can use any type of liquid soap. Personally, I will advise you use Make Me White liquid soap or glutathione liquid soap. Any type of liquid soap you have, it will work for you. So just add in your honey, your liquid soap, add it in bit by bit until you get the perfect consistency that you want. Another powder you can actually add to this scrub is rice powder. I know many of you don't know that rice powder is powerful. That powder is great. So add in about 50 to 70 grams of rice powder. It exfoliates the skin and it brightens the skin. Okay, so you can do research about all of these ingredients just to know how they work on the skin before proceeding. All right, so get rice powder 70 grams. Your preservative, so you can use any type of preservative, but personally I use Germa Plus preservative. Adding about 50 ml or 30 ml into this. So now all this recipe that I've given to you guys, I mean, will I call this recipe or ingredients that I've called out for you guys? You have to make sure that you follow the procedure. All right, if you are making a smaller quantity, reduce all your ingredients. don't add your liquid first before adding in your powders. Add all your powders, ingredients together, your serum, your oils together before putting in your liquid soap and honey. Why? Because you don't want your product to be running at the end of the day. You want to keep a very good consistency, a thick consistency, or you know how pap is, right? So you don't want this to be too runny. If it's too runny, that means you have to add in more sugar and your granules, so you don't want that. And at the end of the day, the powders and the extracts and your everything you've added has reduced, so then you have to increase everything again. So you have to make sure that all your powders are well mixed before adding in your liquid. So as you are adding it in, you are mixing it until you get a perfect consistency, and after that you are done. All you need to do is just to pack this beautiful and effective scrub and sell. You can actually try this on your skin. Trust me, you will love this scrub. Okay, so if you like this video, do not forget to subscribe, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and I will see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Bye.